C-17 features a quadruple redundant fly-by-wire system for the flight controls. 4 independent computers manage this system, each capable of running the entire aircraft on their own. And 13 hydraulic pumps power the system, each capable of maintaining the aircraft in a flyable state. Further, even with catastrophic failure, the aircraft can be flown in an entirely mechanical backup mode. These systems combine to make the C-17 one of the most survivable weapon systems to ever fly.